See, if we learn how to work with different HTML elements, then we can cover most of the Selenium commands we are having in IDE. So for this, first of all, I want to go to our website salesforce.com. First I'm opening this. See, different HTML elements like text boxes, so we can type in text box, buttons, we can click on button, check boxes, we can click on check boxes, radio buttons, we can click on radio button, and whatever other elements are, links, similarly we can click on links and drop down lists, we can select from drop down list, and we can have pop-up windows, right? See, we can have pop-up windows so that whenever we click on something, some button or some image, a pop-up window will be appeared, and we need to handle that pop-up window, we need to switch to that window, and we need to perform some operations in that window, and we need to select something in that window, and we need to return to the main window, right? And we also come across some alerts, some confirmation boxes, some prompts, etc. Okay, all these are the different HTML elements we usually have in any of the website. So we need to learn about each of the HTML element, how to handle each of the HTML element, so that we can cover most of the Selenium commands also. Instead of apart from these commands, we also have some validations in the web pages. So whenever you are writing a test case, you should have some validation so that you can say whether your test case got passed or failed. See, suppose you are working with a login test case. See, suppose your test case should be login to salesforce.com. So what the steps to be followed are, the steps might be like this: go to salesforce.com, click on the login button appeared there, and provide the username and provide the password, type in the password, and click on the this one, LATITUD D630. So provide the password and click login to salesforce.com, Salesforce button, and see, this is the login test case, and we human being can observe that we can log in, we are logged in successfully. But how Selenium knows that whether the test case passed or failed? So we need validation for this. See, any of the automated test case should have individual validation. See, so you should confirm that test case got passed or failed, and the same to be reported also. Okay, so we will see how to report the errors, or how to report the results of the test case in the advanced concepts while we discussing some Selenium WebDriver concepts, TestNG, like that. Okay, so for now we don't have any reporting, but external reporting is not there, okay, for Selenium IDE. So how to validate this? So how to confirm whether we are on the login page or not? So we have different options. We can get the title of the web page. That means the title may be different on login page and home page. Okay, so if we observe the title now, it is salesforce.com-professional edition, and we will see what is the title on the login page. See, the login page title is different, salesforce.com-customer secure login page. So we can validate this website using the title, okay, whether we are able to log in or not. Like see, the title is getting changed, but okay, the title is getting changed. So you get the title after getting logged in. Okay, after completing your test script, at the end you provide a script to get the title and to verify the title is some expected string. Okay, to verify the title is salesforce.com-professional edition or not. Okay, so like this you can validate your login test case. But what is the case if we have the common title for all windows? See, suppose there might be some sites where you may have the common title for all the web pages. Okay, in that case you can't validate using the title of the window. What to do in that case means try to verify for any of the web element present in the home page. Okay, see, now we logged in and just verify for the something. See, this one here, Selenium tutorials, this is our login name. Okay, our display name. So you can verify for this because you know what is the display name for the logged in user. So verify for this whether the element with the text, our display name, okay, Selenium tutorials, the display name is available or not, or this one, welcome to Salesforce, we will have you growing your business in a few short steps. You can validate using this. Okay, or you can validate the home button, home tab. You can validate with any of these tabs. Okay, just verify whether this tab is there or not, the contacts tab is there or not, or just verify whether this text is there or not. See, this can validate your test case. Okay, and for validating this type of okay, for any validations we will be using some other command. Okay, just like handling with different elements, for handling validations, for doing validations also we have some special type of commands. Those are called verifications and assertions. We will discuss about verification and assert in no time. See, for now I'm just logging out from here, and if you go to salesforce.com, we'll see how to handle different HTML elements. So that we'll be starting with some Selenium commands. See, I went here and the recorder is on and I clicked on the login button. See, this is, by now I think we have 2 or 3 commands. See, these 2, this is not required. See, open is a command which is used to open any of the URL. Okay, see, it is your responsibility to choose whether to provide the absolute URL or relative URL. This is open / means this is relative to the base URL. So it will go to salesforce.com and it will click and wait. It will click on the IDE button login. So it will verify for the web element, that is HTML element, with the IDE button -login, and it will wait. Okay, see, just click and wait. We have 2 commands. This is click. See, we have different commands. The normal click and wait, click it and wait. See, the click performs normal click operation. Okay, and here I am going to type my tutorials online. one@gmail.com and password latitude D630 and clicked on login button. If you see at the script now, see here, ID username, ID password, clicked on ID password. I'll copy this, something missing, so ID username, we should type into ID username, the value is See, the open command is used for opening the URLs, and click is used for clicking on any web element. And you can observe we have a click and wait here. Okay, sorry, the execute it inserted in between. So this is the click and type. And we can see two different commands, click and wait. The difference between click and wait is click will perform normal click and it will not wait for anything, and it will continue with the next command immediately after performing this command. Okay, so it will click IDE button login, and immediately it tries to click on something which is having ID equals to username. It will not wait for anything, but click and wait will click on the web element with ID equals to login, and it will wait for the page load. Okay, so click and wait is used for clicking on something and it will wait for page to be loaded. Okay, so it will wait until the page get loaded. After that it will continue with the next commands. So when to use click and when to use click and wait is, if you know that clicking on some element may leads to a new page, okay, then it may lead to a new page or it may load something. Okay, then use the click and wait, because it will wait until the page gets loaded. Okay, if you don't wait until the page loaded, see here we used click here and we are not waiting, and immediately we are trying to click on the element which is having ID username. See what will happen here. If we run this, the test case may be failed. Okay, it opened, it clicked on the login button. No, yes, it clicked on the login button and the test case got failed here. See why it failed. Element ID equals to username not found. But if we see now, the ID username is there. Okay, but why this is happened means it performed the click operation and it did not wait until the login page got loaded. It immediately tried to perform the next operation, and by the time it tries to perform this operation, it did not find the element with ID username. So it is better to wait for the page load also. Okay, click and wait, modify this to click and wait, and if you try to run this again, now it will wait after clicking on the login button. See, it will click on the login button. Yes, it waited and it typed tutorials online and it typed password. It clicked on the again login Salesforce button, and it will wait until the home page gets loaded. See, this is the difference between click and wait. And type is the command which is used to type something into the web element which is having this ID or name, whatever you provide here. Okay, and if you observe these commands, you can observe that some of the commands are taking two parameters. See, this is the command name and these are the two parameters, target and value. If you click on any of the command, you will get the reference here, and here you can see how many arguments are there. See, arguments is URL only one, and URL, the URL to open. Okay, maybe relative or absolute. Similarly, if you click on the type, you will get two parameters here, locator and value. The argument description is locator and element locator, and the value to be typed here. Okay, see, some of the commands require single parameter, and some of the commands require single argument, and some of the commands require two arguments. Okay, and what else? See, to complete this test case, I just want to validate this. Okay, whether we are on right page or not. That means I just want to validate whether my login is successful or not. For that we have verification and assertion commands. Okay, verify and assert. If you go here id and login and here verify title, verify title, and see, this is the verify title. If you see this, the generated form, okay, it will get the title of the current window. It will get the current title, current Windows title, and we can verify title. It requires one argument, that is the string to be matched with the title of the current window. So I need to validate whether it is salesforce.com hyphen space professional edition. Okay, just I want to validate this, and we know, right, how to execute a single command. Double click on this one. Okay, I double clicked on this. See, it executed this one. It did not say any error. That means verification passed. Okay, just we will confirm it is working fine, so that we will fail this. Okay, I provided the wrong title. That means edition 1, but the exact title, the actual title is professional edition. I added something for that. See, I double clicked on that. Verify title, sorry, even it passed. It should not. Of course, it should provide an error. What if we I'm just running this. See, it went to salesforce.com. It clicked on login button and waiting. Yes, see the actual value, what it is saying, the actual value salesforce.com hyphen professional edition did not match with empty string. So the value to be provided here. Okay, so if we run this again, it will take some time. No problem, wait. See, even in this example, it is saying the actual value is this one, did not match with empty string. That is, the target is empty in our previous run. Okay, so the title did not match. The actual title and the expected title are different. So it provided error. Okay, and suppose we have some more commands after that. That means, see, I have something. Okay, say echo is the print command in Selenium IDE. Okay, so it will print something to your log window. Okay, here here something can be, we can print something there. Okay, echo like my test case got passed. Okay, like this. So it will see I am setting start point over here and I am playing this again. See, this is previous log. See, I am just playing this. See, you know, right, you can set start point anywhere so that the test case will be run from the start point. See, it executed the verify title. The actual and expected are different. It logged the error, and what happened? It executed the next command also. Okay, echo, and see this one, my test case got passed, but this is wrong, right? So we have another chance that you can choose what to be happened if your test case got failed. You can continue with the remaining test case. Okay, you can continue with the remaining part of your test case, or you may stop if the test case got failed. Okay, see, that is your choice what to be done. You may continue even your test case got failed, okay, with the remaining part of the test case, or you may stop when your test case got failed. That means you can choose of executing echo command even it is passed or failed, or you can stop executing echo command if this got failed. So if you use verify, see, the difference lies between this one, okay, verify and assert. We have another command, assert. Okay, so the difference between verify and assert is, if you use verify, it will verify the condition, and if it pass or fail, it will continue with the next part of the test case. And if you use assert, if the test case got passed, that means if the condition got passed, it will continue with the remaining part, and if the condition is failed, then it will stop the current test case execution. Okay, it will end the test case. See this, here I am modifying this, my test case got passed. This is after verify, and here I am copying these two. See, here I am modifying this verify title to, we have assert title. Okay, assert title, and in this case also I provided the wrong title. After that, this is after assertion, and this is after verification, like this, and I set the start point here. Now you can observe the difference between assert and verify. Okay, it executed very fast, no problem. I am clearing the log so that the log for this run will be remain. See this, the first one is executing verify title. It executed the verify and the verification got failed. The error message is logged, and after that it executed the echo also. Okay, so even the verification got failed, the next commands got executed. But if you see this, executing assert title, Salesforce, this one, okay, the expected and actual are different, and the test case execution stopped here. It did not execute the echo command. Okay, see, only this one executed. When the assertion failed, the current test case got stopped. Okay, it did not continue with the remaining part of your test case. Okay, that is the difference between assert and verify. You can have assert and verify for different elements or different functions. Okay, see, the difference between verify and assert is, verify will continue with the remaining part of test case even the condition got failed. Okay, the case with assert is, if the condition specified in assert get failed, then the current test case execution will be stopped. That is the difference between assert and verify. See, if that is passed, then that will be continued. Okay, see, now I am providing the actual value and I am providing the right value. See, it executed that. Okay, I am clearing the log window. Again I will execute this. See this executing verify title, verify past, echo executed, assert executed. Okay, and it is also passed. If it is passed, no error will be there. Okay, and hence we can see that this is assertion also. See, this is the difference between assert and verify, and we can have different verify commands and different assert commands. See, verify alert. Okay, see, verify alert not present, verify alert present. These three are we will work with these when we are working with alert windows. Okay, see, I'll skip this for now. I'll discuss this later. Okay, see, verify all buttons, verify all fields, window IDs, everything. Okay, see, all these are verification commands, and for all these we will be having assert also. See, like if we take verify not body text, similarly we may have assert all, assert body text also, verify body text and assert body text. Okay, see, similarly verify text present, we have something like that. See, verify text present, verify text not present. Okay, see, verify text present. See, this one is used to whether some text is present on the current web page or not. Okay, verify text present, and verify text not present, that is used to, see, we can use this like this. Okay, you can select some text on your web page and you can use, see, this one, verify text. It inserted something here, verify text present, Salesforce, this one, everything. Okay, so it is there or not, it will verify. So you can validate your login like this if you don't have the title of the window, and you can use the same thing as assert text present, assert text present, and you know the difference between verify and assert. What will happen if you use the verify and what will happen if you use assert. See, these are the commands for validation, those are, that is verify and assert. And after that, what else we have? So we may see here, I am again recording this. I just want to create some contact. I clicked on the contact link. I will ensure that this is getting recorded. Yes. Okay. See, click and wait, contact, and new button. I want to click on the new button. After that, see, we have different HTML elements here. Okay. See, I am selecting drop down from drop down list, and text box, we already seen this. Type like Ramesh, last name is CH, and for account name, this may get failed. Okay, because we need to work on this. Okay, and here sample account, I clicked on the sample account. Again, title is title 1, like this. And verify, do we have checkboxes here? No checkboxes are there. See, these are the different commands we executed over here. See, if you observe at the code, lot of code inserted over here, and click and wait, name equals to new. So it clicked on the button. Okay, so just want to confirm with new commands. Okay, you know, click and wait. Yes, this is the select command. Okay, see, I keep start point here. Okay, so it will select and I will cut all these. See, I just cut those commands. Okay, see, select is a command which is used to select some value from the drop down list. Okay, I stop execution. Okay, see, for selecting some value from any of the drop down list, you need to use the select command. Okay, and select is a command which requires two parameters. The first one is the ID or XPath or name of the select box, that is this one, the ID of this box, and the second one is the option locator, that is the value to be selected in that. Okay, if you see here, the select locator is the name I underscore salutation con2. Okay, this is the ID of this select box, and from this we need to select the label equals to mr dot. Okay, Mr. And see, this one also similar to this one. Okay, see, this is also locator and this is also locator. The first locator is of select box locator and this second is the option locator, that means the ID or something, ID or label or name of the option we need to select here. See, if you execute with some other value mrs, we will verify whether that is there or not. Yes, mrs doctor, everything are there. See, I modified this and I execute this. See, it modified the value, it selected mrs, and if you change that to doctor, it will select that. Okay, I modified here, I played this. See, it selected the right value. See, this is how you will work with select boxes. And now I will paste the commands. See, it will type everything. I am removing this so that you will observe that something is getting typed. See, I clicked on this, so typed Ramesh, typed ch, and here this may fail because okay, this is not found. So why? Because it is the problem with the ID identifier. Okay, it got problem in identifying this one. So yes, okay, I think I already discussed how to select, how to get the identifiers, right? So we have a tool Firebug, which is an extension to Firefox, and we can use this for getting the identifiers of any of the web element. See this, we will try with the exact XPath provided by the Firebug. XPath equals to this one, and I will try to execute this one. Yes, see, previously it failed to find the it failed to find the identifier which is retrieved when the test case got recorded. Now we modified the identifier, so now it is able to locate our identifier. So now we will start again from here, select and type. Yes, it is executing. See, wait for pop-up. Yes, it got failed again, window doesn't exist. Okay, see, it wait for pop-up for some time, select window, name equals to result frame. Okay, so it did not find the window. Okay, it did not find the window with the name result frame. So what to do means, we will try increasing the value, of course, for some time, because we need to get the name of the window first of all. What is the name of the window? For that we will verify, do we have Window focus is there. No get. Verify window is not there. So you need to verify the name of the window first of all. So I'll skip this for now because we can get that using some other software, Fiddler. Okay, we can install Fiddler and we'll get the IDs and everything of the windows, and at that time we will choose how to work with not multiple windows, with pop-ups. Okay, with multiple windows means we can easily identify that. Or wait, I will execute this once again. So what it is saying, window does not exist. It looks like a Selenium bug. If it looks like a Selenium bug, nothing. We will see the page source. We have some title over here. Let's try with this. Select window. Yes, it selected the window with title. Okay, see, you don't know the name of the window, and hence what we did, see, we selected the window using title. Of course, ignore this one. We can change the same thing over here. Select window, you can choose null, I think, over here. So after that, I just want to type something in select window null, type. Yes, I have different commands after that, so I can execute this again after modification. See, it clicked on the image, it opened the pop-up, it went, the focus went there. ID conf4 is not found. Where is that? Okay, this should not be right. Type title, yes, this one. Again I am executing. It will type title now. Yes, it executed the next one also, title. Okay, this is unknown command, no problem. Okay, see, we now are able to handle with pop-ups, right? So while handling with pop-ups, remember that, see, from here handling the pop-up started. See, while clicking on something, the clicking on this image leads to a pop-up to load. Okay, see, when we click on this, a pop-up got loaded. So first of all, we need to wait for pop-up. Okay, and this is similar, wait for page load, like that. Okay, click and wait, like that. Okay, see, it waited for pop-up, and after that we should transfer the focus to the new window. Okay, to the new pop-up, otherwise it will try to execute the next commands in the same window. That means in this window itself, it will not go to the pop-up. The focus will be in this window itself, it will not be transferred to the pop-up. So first of all, you need to select the right window. Okay, the window in which you want to perform the operation. So I want to go to the window with the title, this one. Okay, I copied the title of the window and I switched to the new window. Okay, and there I want to execute these commands. Click on the link sample account. Okay, what I did here, I clicked on this. After that, I selected this window, I bring the focus to here. I have sample account over here, account 1. I clicked on this, but don't do this directly while writing real-time test cases, because here we don't have much data. Only one account is there, hence the account is displayed in the first page itself. See, if we have hundreds of accounts, and if I have multiple pages here, see, suppose consider an example, I have 100 accounts and I am displaying 10 accounts per a page. Okay, and I provided next button here, next, like that. So it will display the next 10 results, like that. So in that case, your test case may fail. So first of all, you do test case like this. So first, immediately after getting focus to this window, type the required value in this and click on go button. It will get the exact value to here. After that, click on this one. Okay, you perform like this. And if you see at the script, it clicked on the sample account. Okay, it clicked on the sample account. Anyway, it is okay. On clicking that, we can observe the pop-up disappeared, and again we have only one window. And after that, we need to select the exact window again. Okay, the right window again. So window equals to null means it will come to the main window. Okay, if we have multiple windows, that means you can have you may get another pop-up on clicking something on the first pop-up. Okay, then you need to select the right window in that case. Okay, now we don't have any of the windows, so again we need to bring the control back to the main window. That is why I selected select window null. Okay, it will bring the control back to the main window, whatever the number of windows are there. Okay, after that I typed something on the main window, title 1. Okay, see, this is how we will handle multiple windows, and we can have different options, like see, again I am recording. I click on the accounts page, accounts tab, because we may have checkboxes also, checkboxes, radio buttons, everything. Accounts, new account. Let us see, do we have checkbox in this page or not? No, we don't have a checkbox here. Okay, anyhow, what we need to do, we will verify in leads page. If we don't find over here, we will again go back to the login page. There you have the checkbox. Okay, new, yes, here we have one checkbox. Okay, see, I checked on this and again I unchecked that. If you observe at your script, See this one. If you double click this, right, see, for handling checkbox, how to handle checkbox means this is simple. Handling checkbox, handling radio buttons is everything is using just click. Okay, click will perform check operation, but ensure be careful while handling the checkboxes. Okay, this might be asked by many people how to handle checkboxes. Maybe in many interviews also, because handling checkboxes is a little bit tricky. Like, see, my ultimate goal is my checkbox is to be checked always. Okay, see, I want my checkbox to be checked always. Okay, so in that case, your checkbox may be checked by default. Okay, see, suppose this is checked by default and you have click operation in your test case. Okay, you have click operation in your test case. If that get executed, what will happen? See, click, I clicked on that, see, it unchecked the checkbox. Okay, and you will be going to click on the save button after that. So your expectation got failed. Okay, because your final expectation is your checkbox to be checked always. Okay, similarly, your expectation is your checkbox to be unchecked always. And what if this is checked by default? So you may want to, yes, your expectation is unchecked, so you may think that no, yes, sorry, you may think like I don't touch this checkbox, I don't click on that, so that will be unchecked. You may think like that. Okay, but that is checked by default, so your final expectation got failed. Okay, so for that we have different commands like check and uncheck. Okay, see, check will perform, I copy this, it will check the checkbox or radio button. Okay, it will check the checkbox. Okay, see, clicked on that. If we click on the check, it will check, but there might be some chance because we will verify the check. It will check the checkbox or radio button, check toggle button. We will discuss this with one more example, because in most of the cases these check or uncheck may prevent the events. Okay, that means if clicking on this checkbox leads to some event, firing some event, that may not be occurred properly. Okay, no problem. We will discuss how to handle checkbox with proper example. I will prepare a sample page for you with events. We will work on that, handling checkboxes. So handling radio buttons also the same thing. And what else we want to do here, we may want to work with this. Oops. Now I may want to wait. You forgot about all these. I want to click on this, click on the my profile. If you go to Selenium, it executed, it inserted the commands over here. So I am removing this. So after that, link equals to my settings. Now I will change, because now we are in my profile. See, I will set start point here. See, handling menus. Okay, but handling menus is a good topic. This is having different types because all menus are not similar. Okay, you may have some problems while handling with menus because you may not get the identifiers, because but you can handle with menus by knowing how to identify the identifier. Okay, so if you are perfect with getting the identifier of the menu items, it is not difficult to work with menus, because see, here we have just link equals to my settings. In some pages the menu item may have different ID. Okay, that may be complex, so you can use XPath over there, but writing the XPath for menu items might be some complex task. Okay, so you should be very good at writing XPaths. Okay, and some menus are, so you can have some dynamic, that is no, not like that. Okay, anyway, we are going to discuss some advanced concept how to handle Ajax applications. Then you can find different concepts like this. Okay, so for now, just if you want to log out from this, you just want to click on the here you don't find any new things, right? Because see, clicking on this element and clicking on something, that's it. There is nothing new. Okay, for logging out also, just click on that menu item and it will provide some drop down, and it clicked on the option provided in that menu. Okay, so we logged out from salesforce.com. Again we are on login page. Okay, this is how we will handle different HTML elements. Okay, we'll discuss the remaining part in next class. Thank you.